Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, officially the world's thinnest foldable phone. In the world of foldable smartphones, claims about being the thinnest often come with a side of skepticism. But here's where it gets controversial. Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7 has officially been crowned the world's thinnest foldable phone. Is this title deserved when compared to other brands like Honor, Oppo, and Vivo? We decided to settle the debate once and for all, armed with precision tools and a healthy dose of curiosity. To answer this question thoroughly, we grabbed a micrometer caliper and meticulously measured the Galaxy Z Fold 7 alongside its top competitors, the Honor Magic V5, the Oppo Find N5, and the Vivo X Fold5. What did we uncover? Not only does the Galaxy Z Fold 7 live up to its claim as the slimmest foldable device on the market, but our findings also expose some eyebrow-raising truths about rival devices. For starters, Honor had boldly proclaimed that its Magic V5 was the world's thinnest foldable. However, there's a catch, and it's one that makes you wonder if they thought no one would notice. Their measurements conveniently excluded screen protectors, which artificially made the device appear thinner than reality. In contrast, Samsung took an honest approach by including the factory-applied screen protector in their specs. This discrepancy highlights just how important transparency is in tech marketing. Now let's dive into the numbers, so you can see exactly why the Galaxy Z Fold 7 reigns supreme. 1. Galaxy Z Fold 7. Unfolded thickness, a mere 4.18 millimeters. Folded thickness, excluding camera bump, 8.66 millimeters. Folded thickness, including camera housing, 14.0 millimeters. 2. Oppo Find N5. Unfolded thickness, 4.28 millimeters. Folded thickness, excluding camera bump, 9.01 millimeters. Folded thickness, including camera housing, 13.61 millimeters. 3. Honor Magic V5. Unfolded thickness, 4.35 millimeters. Folded thickness, excluding camera bump, 9.14 millimeters. Folded thickness, including camera housing, 16.1 millimeters. 4. Vivo X Fold5. Unfolded thickness, 4.46 millimeters. Folded thickness, excluding camera bump, 9.73 millimeters. Folded thickness, including camera housing, 15.01 millimeters. Based on these measurements, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 undisputedly takes the crown as the thinnest foldable smartphone globally. The Oppo Find N5 comes in second place, followed by the Honor Magic V5 in third. Meanwhile, the Vivo X Fold5 brings up the rear in fourth place. Interestingly, Honor didn't even consider the Oppo Find N5 during their promotional campaigns, a glaring oversight given its clear superiority in terms of actual dimensions. This situation raises an intriguing question. Should companies be allowed to manipulate technical details through clever omissions or misleading comparisons? Or should consumers demand stricter regulations to ensure fairness across the board? It's worth noting that such tactics don't diminish Samsung's achievement with the Galaxy Z Fold 7. It remains a remarkable feat of engineering and design. Still, it serves as a reminder for buyers to scrutinize bold claims carefully, especially those accompanied by tiny asterisks hiding crucial footnotes. If you're curious to see these phones side by side, don't miss our video above, where we break down the results visually. And while you're at it, share your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Samsung deserves the accolades? Or do you believe another brand could have edged them out under different circumstances? Let's keep the conversation going. By Mihai Matei, Senior Editor at SamMobile. Mihai's journey with Samsung began years ago with the SGH A800, a rugged clamshell phone he still fondly remembers. When he's not writing about the latest gadgets, you'll find him enjoying documentaries, stand-up comedy, or revisiting classic video games.